Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 to unsupported hardware. Open your web browser. On Google search, type Windows 11 download. Select and download ISO file. Also download 7-zip. After download, go to your download folder. Run and install 7-zip to your PC. Close after installation. Then right-click on the Windows 11 ISO file. Select 7-zip and select Extract here. On extracted file, double-click Sources. Find appraisers.dll and delete this file. Go back to folder and proceed with the installation. Right-click on the setup.exe and run. Click Next. Accept the license terms to proceed. Click OK and Next. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe.